Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome back in this session. Today we are going to do craft video. We are going to make a cat mask. For this will require a paper plate, ice cream stick, pink color and black color craft paper, scissors and pencil. First we'll cut this paper plate in two halves and we'll cut two triangles for cat ears. See, like this. Paper plate, half cut and two triangles for ears. Now we'll cut this pink color paper triangles and one heart shape for nose. Two black strips we have taken, one heart shape for nose and two triangles for ears. Now we will stick these triangles in this brown color triangle and make the inner side of the cat ear. We'll stick it like this. This is the inner part of cat ear, pink color. Now we will cut two eyes over here. See, we have cut two holes for eyes. We have stick these triangles. Now we'll stick the triangles to the semicircle. Over the eye. Like this. On the eyes we will stick ears. Now here we have cut heart shape for nose. We will stick it in the center like this. This is cat nose. Now these two strips which we have cut, we will fold it and stick it near the nose. Again second one will fold it and stick it near the nose. Our cat face is ready. Now we will stick ice cream stick behind this to hold it. Our cat mask is ready. You will make this mask and put the photograph in your school group. See you soon. Bye.